So this is a very beautiful living space. So this is a very beautiful and spacious kitchen. So this is a spacious master bedroom. Here you can. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey, and today in this video we'll be doing a sample flat tour of Legacy Akim, which is located near Katevasti Road, Punavle, Pune, and is developed by Legacy Life Spaces. As you can see, I'm standing on the actual location और मेरे पीछे है सेल्स ऑफिस और सेल्स ऑफिस सामने आपको मिल जाता है इंटरनल रोड जो आपको कनेक्ट करता है काटेवास्ती रोड से. But before we go ahead with this project, first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike any other current listing platform where your number is shared with multiple brokers, Housey is different. Housey connects you directly with the builder. That means transparent pricing, genuine information, and hassle-free home buying experience. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home today through Housey. Now let's discuss the project overview. This project is constructed on 1 acres of land parcel, 1 tower with 2 basement plus ground plus 15 floors having 2 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss the location and connectivity of this project. This project is located near Katevasti Road, Punavle, Pune. इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है लाइफ केयर हॉस्पिटल 500 मीटर, Mumbai Bangalore Highway 1.9 km. Now let's discuss the amenities of this project. This project has 20 plus luxuries amenities with the likes of swimming pool, clubhouse, gymnasium, multi-purpose court, kids play area and many more. As you can see, I'm standing at the entrance of our 2 BHK sample flat which has 807 square feet carpet area. So this is the main entrance, where right at the main entrance you get a video door phone and you also get a digital door lock for security purpose. And this is the entrance lobby where here you can set up your shoe rack or decorative items. Now let me show you the living space and the dining space. So this is a very beautiful living space where right over there you can set up your couch and right opposite that you can set up your TV unit. You also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, iron railings and 3-side cover. And right over here you can set up your temple. Now let me show you our dining space. So this is a very beautiful dining space where you can set up your dining table and have lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now let me show you the kitchen. So this is a very beautiful and spacious kitchen where you get a L-shaped granite platform with it, and you also have 2 sinks attached to it, and right over here you get a dry balcony where you can set up your washing machine or other utilities. And right over there you can set up your refrigerator. Now let me show you our first bedroom. So this is our first bedroom where here you can set up your bed, and right opposite that you can set up your TV unit or study unit. And right over here you also get a window attached to it for natural lighting and ventilation purpose. And right over here you can set up your wardrobe. Now let me show you the master bedroom. But before I show you the master bedroom, first let me tell you what does Housey provides you. Housey provides you with sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schemes, and 360-degree location tour all just under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Book your site visit today through Housey. Now let's check out the master bedroom. But right before the master bedroom, you also get a common washroom over here, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fittings and designer vitrified tiles. So this is a spacious master bedroom. Here you can set up your bed, and right opposite that you can set up your TV unit. And you also get an attached master balcony here, which has anti-skid tiles, iron railings and three-side cover. And right over here you can set up your study unit. Now, not just that, you also get a walk-in closet over here, which is very spacious. You can set up your items over here, your clothes over here, and you also get an attached master washroom over here, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fittings and designer vitrified tiles. So everyone, this was a sample flat tour of Legacy Akim, which is located near Katevasti Road, Punavle, Pune, and is developed by Legacy Life Spaces. To get to know more information about this, click on the below link to download e-brochure and price sheet, and also you can like, share and subscribe Housy's YouTube channel.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housy.